But there's a lot of serious economic work being done on happiness. Because what we know is that there's huge variation in happiness. But interestingly, it varies from one country to another, but it also varies by age. By age.
View of different studies, mainly in the US, in the UK, and in Europe, but with some studies that we found in other contexts. And
the slide on the US, it's not a question of the numbers, because you have a low population, you have maybe 250 million people in the US, but they have very unequal healthcare system, so people don't have access to it. Right. So the question about
living together in very cramped conditions, people who are squeezed into a small space, they live in quite basic homes made of improvised materials that they may have found in the streets, spare bits, spare pieces.
The first main influence was the publication of a book by Esther Bozarok, a Danish economist, called Women's Role in Economic Development. And in this book, Esther Bozarok wanted to point out and highlight the importance.
We don't know quite where to start, as it were, with the models produces this level of uncertainty. This is rainfall during the summer, and just for one location, which is central England, which is over here, it's saying 3 models